Alright guys, today we are doing basic algebra, but we are looking at word expressions, okay? We're still in the beginning aspect, word expression in mathematical forms, okay? So there are certain times that mathematics is in words, so you have to kind of like express it into another word. So imagine that I said x is x more than y, okay? X more than y, okay? X more than y. That means that whatever I have is more than y. So mostly if you say something is more than, all you have to do is to be y plus x, okay? So 4 is 2 more than 2, okay? Or 6 is 2 more than 4. What that means is that if 6 is 2 more than 4, okay, it means 4 plus 2 is equal to 6. That's what it means, okay? So when you hear more than, 2 more than, what you have to do is 4 plus 2. So 6 is 2 more than 4. That means 6 is equal to 4 plus 2. Okay, that's what you have to know in your mind. Okay, there are certain times they use product. Okay, most of the time they use product. They say the product of x. So we want to find okay, yeah, it's here. Okay, so the first one is more than, right? The second one we are looking at product of x and y, okay, and y, which is what? X times y. That's all. So if it asks you what's the product of minus 2 product of minus 2 and 3, you just multiply negative 2 times 3. That's pretty easy, right? Yeah, I guess so. Okay. Well, let me close this thing. All right, are you okay? So let's see, I have a note here. So what do we have? 7 less than twice 7, okay? Or maybe let's say 8 less than twice 8, okay? Now when you hear less than, okay, now twice 8 is 2 times 8, okay? Then when you hear less than, it means subtract, okay? So 8 less than twice 8 is 2 times 8 minus 8, okay? So now let's use an example that you can relate to. If I say a is a less than, okay, maybe a less than twice, okay, I think I have to use twice instead, okay, a less than twice y, okay, it means we have twice y, which is 2y minus a, pretty much. Okay, that's what we are expecting to get, okay. Now there are some simple things. They will tell you half of y. That means half y, okay. Half of y is half y. Now they say b decreased by A. If you decrease B by A, that means that there's a B and you are removing A from it, so B minus A. Okay, those are pretty much. So remember, we have twice x, which is 2 times x. So those are basic stuff that you have to remember about expressions. Okay, I'll put a lot of them in your reading on your page on announcement. Watch out for those ones. Okay, so those are word expression. You have to look at. We have half of y, twice a, more than, less than. Okay, you can Google them online to check how they are. Okay, until then we'll be talking about them more. Remember, there will be a test for you guys on Thursday. Those of you who are online, I'll put a test there for you to take on Thursday. It's an exam. Okay, you take it within the specified time. Okay, so prepare towards it. We have already started with basic algebra for last week. Make sure that you revise. Okay, go over all the stuff. Okay, until then, bye and enjoy yourself. Okay, bye.